3, 2, 1.
You talk to Google.
Hey Google. Oh man.
Is he not answering? Hey Google, can you please answer Junior?
I'm totally stumped.
Do not.
Totally stunned. You say something.
Okay, Google.
Okay Google. Play Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars.
No, where's on the bus?
Oh, Wheels on the Bus.
Okay, check out this Twinkle Twinkle Little Star Station
Oh.
on YouTube Music.
Sorry.
Hey Google. Hey Google. The where's on the bus?
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
The music is working. The music is working. The sound. See, the music is a sound.
Oh.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Stop, please.
He stops.
Choosing songs is only available
No,
for
yes.
YouTube Music Premium members. But you might like this station.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google.
Hey Google, do you have a dog?
I hope I get a dog soon.
Hey Google. Stop. Please.
How come you say stop? You ask Google if she have a cat.
No, I want to guess. Hey Google. Stop.
Hey Google, do you have a cat?
Cats are so independent. Can you ever really own a cat?
No.
Sounds like a no to me.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Stop. Please.
She stops already.
Hey Google. Stop. Hey Google.
Hey Google, are you friends with Alexa? She didn't answer. Hey Google, are you friends with Alexa?
Alexa has such a soothing voice. I like it.
What?
Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google.
You say something. If you just keep saying Google, she can't read you.
Hey Google.
She can't do anything.
Hey Google.
You have to say something. You
Hi,
say,
how can I help?
oh, see? She likes to help. What do you want to say? You say, hey Google, would you like a barbecue?
I understood. Would you like a barbecue? Is that right?
I want to barbecue. Right? Yeah, Google.
Some people might like that.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Look how this is a pig.
This is a cockatoo.
That's talking already.
What is chalk?
See, chalk, which is. Hey Google, do you like chalk?
What is chalk?
According to Wikipedia, white chocolate is a chocolate confection made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solids. White
Oh.
chocolate does not contain cocoa solids, which are found in other types
What
of
is
chocolate.
chalk?
It is characterized
It's not
by
chocolate.
pale ivory color.
It's not chocolate.
It's not chocolate, Google. What is chalk?
Hey Google, do you like chalk?
Oh, chalk.
Politics is complicated,
What
but
is
that means
chalk?
there's a lot to learn.
What is it?
Hey Google, tell the sugar.
What is chalk?
The sugar.
Junior, what is chalk?
Hey Google, let me tell this Google it's. See, I have some hot. Take a picture.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Up.
You tell Google what is chalk.
Hey Google, do you like chalk?
No,
Hey, Google.
you say,
Hey Google, what's truck?
what is truck, Junior?
Hey Google.
According to Wikipedia, a truck or lorry is a motor vehicle designed to transport cargo. Trucks vary greatly in
A
size.
few moments later.
Road trip! Let's go!
Please.
Let's go to Calgary.
Yeah, he's climbing the semi. That's pretty cool. You don't see this too often. Oh, look at the back of it. Whoa. Look at that.
Oh,
There's cows stuck in there.
oh, no way.
Mommy,
The semi crashes in the
Mommy,
There's cows probably stuck in there.
Daddy.
semi that's full of cows.
Yeah, that's why that other semi back there, he's with him. This
Yeah.
is both cows.
1 hour later.
That's so nice.
Where is it? Oh, you found it.
Junior got the new
It's mine.
train set, everyone.
I got mine.
Train track,
Where is it?
train table.
It's a town, a city.
We can close it, Daddy.
Wow.
Close it.
Close it.
Daddy, let's get once Thomas. Daddy.
Let's see what else we got here.
That's so cool, Junior.
Wow, the tree, this is people is the people. The tree. There. They're on the tree.
This must hold something up here.
This can keep you busy.
I
Oh, no way.
I got it.
Fell.
I got it. A yellow. Yellow.
Yellow. Color yellow.
This color.
Color yellow.
Put it right there.
Whoa. There's a car park in here. Wow. That's so cool.
No more.
It's like a,
There's no more.
wow.
There's no more. There's no more.
No more what? You have lots more to build. It's gonna take you all day.
How about the purple?
Is it gonna take you all day?
How about the red? How about red?
That's a cool tunnel.
There's a black in there. There's a yellow in there.
Wow.
And talk in the two.
Good job. They all went in a tunnel? Wow.
The wind.
I don't know about this.
I found that the more. See, that's some more in there. That's some more in there. It's only the helicopters.
There's a helicopter too. Wow.
And all the way.
Oopsies.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Look, get inside the door. See?
Wow. That's so cool.
What's more in there?
Yeah. Take all those train tracks.
Grandma Pookie here.
Oh, Grandma
Daddy,
Pookie's
we can
here.
build it. Daddy, we can build it.
Grandma Pookie here.
We
How
can
about build
build
it? Daddy, how about build it? Got some ups.
it. Are you gonna
Daddy,
show
that's
Grandma?
nuts.
Look at all this.
Okay, all this is everything.
Tells you how to build this stuff here.
There's a set of down here
That's all
then.
built here, I guess.
Oh, there's little trains.
Alright.
What's going on, little man? Oh, Boogie's happy to see you. Yeah.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Focus, focus.
It's
Show
ready
Grandma.
down the-
Focus, focus.
Sally was saying she might go to work by herself tonight.
Daddy,
Oh,
No, she's.
did you guys buy that dinosaur pack? Oh, no.
I want my train.
I found this woman that's got
no.
a bunch of plastic dinosaurs and caves and stuff.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, All Night Vlogs, and also click the like button and the notification bell for you guys will get updated to our new videos. Much love, everyone. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.